Hello dear students. In previous lecture of the sources of food we have discussed the following topics. What is the importance of food? What are various sources of foods like plants and animals? What are different kinds of foods have ingredients? We did an activity also on the basis of the ingredient of foods. The second activity I have given you as a homework and I am solving that particularly to you. Banana I have told you already given in that book. Okay, the next you can use as a radish particularly as a whose leaves you can use and roots particularly. Okay, same is true for the mustard leaves as well as seeds. In this case leaves and seeds particularly you can use. Okay, and cauliflower you can use. Okay, it's a leaves and flower part is edible part, two parts. So this is your activity 2 particularly. Now after that he has given another activity 3, in which he asks you to sprout some seeds. Sprouts mean grow, generate, germinate. Sprout you can say germinate. Okay, germinate some seeds particularly. And how he is doing, how you can able to perform. Suppose in first step take some mustard seeds. Okay, and now take a beaker or bowl full of water. Okay, now put some put some seeds, that mustard seeds into the bowl. Okay, now what you have to do, leave the bowl as it is for one day. Okay, next step, next day drawn out the water from the bowl, and take the seeds and put them into cotton cloths. Now what you see after that, now you able to see white part is coming out, or you can say sprouted, germinated from the mustard seeds. So that's how you can germinate or sprout out some seeds particularly. You can take another example also. It's not necessary you will perform the activity with mustard seeds. You can take the seeds of different dal particularly you can use. Those seeds also will be germinated. Rice also you can take particularly. They will also show the germination particularly, which are not completely polished. Those rice only, raw rice gets sprouted particularly. Okay, after that you have to talk about the food. So far we have discussed the foods from the plants particularly. Now he want you to discuss what the food from animals you are getting. First we are discussing milk. So milk you can get from cow, buffalo, got, they give you milk, and milk can be used for further purposes: cheese, butter, lassi. These things you can make from these food items, you can prepare by easily using the milk. So from what you have to go for the foods from the animals, first you know what kind of food, from where you are getting, and in what manner those food particular can be used to convert into some different foods particularly. Okay, so first we discussed milk. The second one is eggs. Eggs can be laid by the hen. Okay, ducks particularly. So these can be used. Turkey also in the example which lay the eggs particularly. These eggs can be used. Why? Because they are rich source of protein and vitamins. They serve as two nutrients, important nutrients particularly, which can be given, we can get from the hen, ducks and turkeys. The next one is meat. Meat for particularly you can get from fishes, fish, hen, ducks. They can all serve as, or all animals, different animals can serve as a source for the meat. Meat also is rich in the protein particularly part. Okay. The next one food item you can get from the food from animals is your honey. Okay. Honey is collected by honey bees. They collect from them flower, nectar. Nectar is termed as sweet part of the flower. Okay, in flower there is sweetness. That sweetness part is known as nectar. That is sorted out the bees, and they put them into their hive. Okay, where that get converted into honey, and that honey can be used as a food. It is also used in medicines, particularly Ayurvedic medicines to prepare. Ayurvedic medicines also prepared from the honey. So honey also have a lots of uses particularly. Okay. Now rearing, there is a word they are giving you, rearing of honey bees. Rearing of honey bees. Or you can say growing or growth of rearing of, or you can say rearing of honey bees is called apiculture. Called apiculture. Okay, this is a process where by making a honey at a commercial rate. Okay, in commercial manner we use the bees particle to grow what? Honey. So that particular process is termed as apiculture, a farming process. Okay. So today is your homework is there is two MCQs given. Two MCQs are given. Okay. You have to solve them. Second thing, read the topics up to food from animals. Okay, thank you.